Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends Take and Play Adventures. Season 14, Episode 184. Culdee's Ghost Slave. It was a wonderful morning on the island of Sodor, and Godred was just waking up. "I just finished the night train," said Culdee. "It's your turn to take over." "Okay, I'll take the coaches," he said. "Ow! Why'd you bump into me like that?" "Oh, it was nothing." "Goodbye, Culdee." Culdee sighed. Then he noticed something under the corner of his eye. "What's that?" "Huh?" I guess it was nothing. Oh. "Hey, Culdee, how are you doing today?" I'm doing fine, Godred. It's just, I saw something." What sort of something? Speak up, will ya? I'll be right back. I need to go turn around." "Okay, I'll tell you when you get back." "So, what do you want to tell me?" "It's just, I saw something in the mine over there." Culdee, hate to burst your bubble, but there's nothing there." "I know there isn't anything there now, but I saw something. A white figure of an engine with the number 0, I believe, on his side." "That sounds like one of those ghost stories Thomas and Percy told us about. What was it? Was it Timothy or..." "Yes, that's it. Timothy. That's his name." "Well, I saw him and..." "Look! There he is!" Godred hurried back. "No, he isn't, Culdee. You're going soft in the smoke box in this old age." "But I know I saw him. Godred, you have to believe me." "No. How can I get him to believe me?" "Give who to believe you about what now, Culdee?" "Oh, James." "Hey, James. It's just, I told Godred that I thought I saw a ghost, and I really do. I really think I saw something white with number 0. That sounds like one of those ghost stories Thomas and Percy and Edward tell us at the sheds at Halloween. It's really nothing to be frightened about. I'm sure you didn't see anything like that." "But James, I have work to do." "I'll see you later, Culdee." "No, wait, James. Come back." "Who said that? Who's there?" He hurried back and crashed. "Oh no, help!" You're right. You should call for help." "Help! Help! Godred! James! Get over here, quick!" "Oh, no, you don't." "And what is it, Culdee? Did you see, probably Stanley pulling a trick on you?" "No, I really saw it. It was just here. It went down the track over there, and..." Culdee? Yeah? Are you talking about Caitlin?" "What? Oh, then you must be talking about Billy." What, James? No, what are you talking about?" "'Cause that's all I see down this line." "He must have disappeared again. Oh, this is worse than I thought it would be." Who said that? Culdee, are you playing a trick on us?" "How would I be doing that? You're seeing me. It's not like I'm a puppeteerist or something." Or something. Who's there? It's Timothy. Godred, hurry, turn around, get me back into the line. I need to run. Godred, don't tell me you're actually believing this. Well, there's really no other choice. What's that down there? It's your old pal, Timmy. James! Don't be so hasty. We have to go after him. Help! Help! Ow! Jane! Yeah. Whoa! Hey! Get back here! Run! Run! Don't be so hasty. Whoa! Ow! James, run! Run! Oh, the line is blocked. Oh. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Yeah. Whoa! Ow! Whoa! Wait, Culdee, stop! Why? He's right in front of us. Yes, I am. I'm stuck. And the menu tonight is Godred, Culdee, and James. How do you know our names? I've been watching over you for a very long time. Whoa! Ow! You will regret this! And fell into the water and died for a second time. Well, what now? Let's hope this time, when he died, he'll be able to move on. Over the next few hours, James was set back onto the track, and he began to leave to go collect some trains. And the two mountain engines were too scared to do any train alone from now on. So they both double-headed it, or sometimes pushed from behind. And Timothy remembered the last moments of his life forever. They were dark, morbid, and freeing. His inner demons were now gone, and he was able to watch over Sodor with peace. The end.